Guess what today is? It's hair day. It's time to refresh the silk press. The roots are rooting. The scalp is scalping. Before I get my hair done, I always do my hair rinse. My goddess rinse. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'll try to link the video down below, but I give you guys instructions on a hair rinse. The hair speaks for itself. Okay? All right, before I do too much, let me go ahead and do my rinse. And I'm gonna take y'all to the salon with me. Hair day. I have it brushed all in one direction. Like to double up on these to make sure it doesn't leak. So if you guys are looking for a big hair towel, Revere has them for you. All right, secured, all dressed and ready. My boyfriend said I look like Safar Safar. You know who I'm talking about, off of Jasmine and Aladdin, with my little head towel on. Yeah, I got my bag of goodies, hair supplies. Yes, I am the hairstylist that brings my own hair products to my own hairstylist. Just arrived, but I wanted to show you guys the products that I brought. I've been obsessed with Design Essentials agave and lavender. The smell is perfect. I love lavender. But my hairstylist, she's really a family friend, Appel, I love her. Appel loves my honey creme. She says it's really good for detangling and really adding that moisture. So I don't know, I just kind of bring these three, the rosemary and mint. I love to feel like my scalp is whistling. So I love these three right now. So depending on what my hair needs, I just kind of just layer it. Y'all, extra, I bring my own flat iron. And of course, I don't get my hair done or do my hair without my Unbrush brush. Oh yeah, that feels so good. Yeah. I needed this so bad.
Still, you know, I have a lot of experience.
We ended up using the agave and a lavender one, which smells like heaven. To the dryer I go. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off for her. The hair is done. It is laid. Scalp feels fresh. Next time I see her, we will be trimming. I usually trim every other appointment, but the hair is long. It's healthy. Welcome to a world of being a natural straight.